Today I'm showing you how to unlink your Rockstar Social Club account from Steam. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure you're logged into your Rockstar Social Club account. You have access to your Steam account, and you have both accounts open in your browser or apps. Method 1. Direct unlinking, if available. Step 1. Open Rockstar Games website. Open your browser and go to rockstargames.com/account. Make sure you're logged into your Rockstar Social Club account. Step 2. Access profile settings. Look at the top right corner of the Rockstar website. Click on your profile icon or username to open a drop-down menu, and then tap on Account. Step 3. Open Settings. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. This takes you to your account settings page. Step 4. Navigate to Linked Accounts. On the Linked Accounts page, you'll see all platforms connected to your Rockstar account. Look for Steam in the list. If you see it, your Steam account is currently linked. If you don't, you're not linked. Step 6. Unlink Steam. Next to the Steam connection, you should see an Unlink button. Click it to disconnect your Steam account from Rockstar Social Club. Step 7. Confirm unlinking. A confirmation pop-up may appear asking if you're sure you want to unlink. Click Yes or Confirm to proceed. Your Steam account is now unlinked. Important notes. Unlinking won't delete your game progress or purchases. Your games on both platforms remain intact. You can relink accounts later if needed. Game saves tied to Rockstar Social Club stay with that account. Steam purchases remain on Steam, Rockstar purchases remain on Rockstar. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Rockstar Social Club account from Steam